Cemetery Road in Kingston is our location for this week's show. I'm your host, Chrissy, and we're in a festive mood. So without further delay, let's get right into this week's episode of Pree Dis. Great performances and a large turnout of patrons. It all went down at Tracks Live with Tanya Stephens and Serani. We have the highlights.
The way you walk, and it's not the way you talk, and it's not your beat up car. You definitely ain't no movie star, and it's not the clothes you wear, and it's not your nappy hair, and it's not the youngster flex. Yeah, baby, it's not like us. You just look off your bum, love the way you want to come. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. Whoa, I hope you wind up lonely. Can't eat, can't sleep. And then you want to wish your brother still come home. Can't eat, can't sleep.
Positivity has hit the mood. We are rock this brand new attitude. Dancing to this rhythm of life. I'm a lady. The life that was written upon it. Just my God, good one. So nobody know. Put it on your down. I'm confident. Don't get the wrong impression. When we enter, I see it flow. I am woman, come on.
Up on your TikTok, two of them don't granny, you're every rough. Wind up your body tick like wristwatch. Anything you wear never mismatch. Cause when the split light, I get ready in ya. Grab them in at the place where we set in ya. Whoa, bang, she I get in ya. And I'm a slight so she start playing. Tap them. Pretty for one and see me baby, pick up hold her. And from your one, you are walking in a shoulder. Tell us that this is about the player. Me have couple, I'm afraid. That's why I can't say
What will you go? Never give up. Show some somebody tell me what they want to be. But someone not study. Tell them people and study men. Good over evil. Tell people and fighting for God bless them. But someone not study people. Tell them people and fighting them. Good over evil. Are you fighting for God? If I see them a plan, there is a man I might see a man. God get free. Never do nothing. I'm music for me to mind.
And I'm doing my version. You know it is, you know. Good night. Or should I say good morning? Eh? Yeah, big up Serani, me love you, missy. Oh God. And big up Uno, me love you, too, you see. But you're up now. The last time I did there, you did there? Yeah? You were here? You were here. You were all here. You. So all of my mad people in there. So since the last time I see you, I forgot catching up on what been going with me. Okay, well for starters, I lost like 200 pounds. I'm getting divorced.
What has been your greatest musical experience to date?
It's enough. I can't say the greatest. The day I wrote No Games is definitely top 3. The day that I made Sean Paul, We Be Burning, Not Concerning, alongside Delano, that's one of the greats. And the day that I decided to make Secret.
How you describe the experience at Tracks Live?
Well, the crowd has a great energy. You know, I see some of my fans, I see some of Tanya fans. But my experience on stage in general, I treat every show as my last show. So I pour my heart, I put my energy, I put my vibe, I put my swag, I put my voice, I put my soul into every show.
That was Tracks Live with Tanya Stephens and Serani. Up next, we meet Relevant Boss. We'll be right back.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink out, we a shell down bars. Blast like a star, we some a gal apart. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
Yeah, and gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. At blem, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk with the own waistline. Cut the cock, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a sack. Take charge,
take charge.
Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge.